your time, brother. Come on. Let's fucking do it. Come to the stage, big boy. Show us what you got.
We've been rehearsing all week. That was a lovely applause. I wasn't expecting that, because it could be shit, you never know. That's why I wore these flip-flops, because at least I got one clap when I get off stage. Slow one, but a big clap. Anyway, my name's Ellis, as some of you might know. I'll tell you a little uninteresting fact about my name. If you get a calculator, and you type the number 51773.337, are you writing this down? 337. Turn it upside down, you got Lee Ellis. Hey, that's good, isn't it? Imagine my delight when I was 8 years of age when I found that out. Running around maths class down until one little prick came over, he went, I can do that. He's done alright for himself since. Shell oil. It's the best you're getting tonight. Anyway, what do you hear? It's fair, isn't it? For us British, us English. We've had the Olympics, Paralympics. We've had the Queen's Jubilee, we've had the wedding, we've even had Kate's tits, eh? 2 fried eggs slipping out on my pole, but we're happy. And then at the beginning of the year, leap year, for all you lads who are in long-term relationships who are not married. You know, it's the only day the woman can propose to you. Eh? That's a scary day, isn't it? Eh? That's commitment, isn't it? We don't want that. Been together 5 years, first one, go get away with that, we're still fucking like rabbits, but alright, I'll get away with it. Second one, 3 kids, 1 of each, and you're thinking, oh, it's time to commit. You do anything in your power, don't you, to get out of that. And when that day comes, you think, oh, you're out there. You wake up in the morning, and you think, it's 29th. You're on your bed sheet, you go, I need an excuse to get out of here in case she proposes to me. I'll get my phone, ring a friend. Who's a compulsive liar with no morals. Nick. Hello, Nick. What do you mean you want to ring me as well? A friend with no morals. That's me, yeah. You want an alibi? Yes, so do I, Nick. We need to get out of here. You be in a car crash, I be in a car crash. You come and pick me up. Don't pick me up, Nick, because you'll be in a car crash. I'll meet you on the corner, okay? So then, you trip downstairs, you see a few rose petals on the steps and you think she's going to propose. As soon as she sees you, she goes, love, can I ask you a question? You do everything in your power to get out of it. She goes, love, can I ask you a question? You go, fuck off. You do your best, don't you? But I do remember she actually did get down on one knee. It was lovely, lovely when she had tears in her eyes. She was down on one knee looking up at me. I was surprised actually because she used to go down 2 knees, kidney blowing like, but she was alright in the end. Actually, I told that joke about a couple of months ago in Manchester, and I was outside just having a little bit of fresh air, and some woman came out, divorcee, middle age, you know the type, cries tears of gin into a pillow every night, then bits and twists about life. She came stumbling, even a fella left her because he was sick of punching her. You know that type, you know what I mean? She came stumbling over to me, come, you and Alan Fane's wanting, yeah, ice trunking in a glass. Well, yeah, that was me. She went, you were alright, but, it was a big but, no sense of irony in what she was saying, she hadn't got a clue, she went, but, can you leave your domestic violence jokes at home? And I think that's my 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, because that was a quick 5 minutes if it was. You were meant to laugh a bit longer when I timed this at home. Well, thank you, and good night.